Hello, I'm Sean Scott. I'm a local elder law attorney here in Pinellas County. I wanted to talk with you about some of the issues that you face, the legal issues that you face as you age. Oftentimes, one of the biggest questions that I get asked is, what do I need an attorney for in the first place? And if I do need one, well, what's an elder law attorney? Never heard of that before. Is it the attorney who's older for some reason? Well, no, the answer to that is not that the attorney is older, but that the clients that that particular attorney serves are older. The whole aspect of, or the subset of elder law, deals with issues that are associated with the natural process of aging. You know, as you get older, you have different problems. I think many of you might say that you have different medical problems. What's a doctor called that serves the medical issues as you age? As a gerontologist, right? I'm effectively, as an elder law attorney, a legal gerontologist. I deal with the issues that you're going to run into as an aging person. Now, those different issues are broken down into three broad areas, and the three big areas of practice as an elder law attorney are some of the traditional things that you may have heard of before, such as estate planning. Estate planning is where your stuff goes and how it gets there when you die. What process is going to be employed in order to move your assets to your heirs when you die? Now, the other aspect of this is incapacity planning. You know, as you age, you may not be able to do your own thing any longer. You know, there's all kinds of different disease processes that you can run into. Those arteries in your brain start to get a little thinner. Well, a stroke may become a reality for you. When you were 20, those kinds of problems were much less of an issue, but as you age, they become more prevalent. And when they become more prevalent, it's even more important that you have competent advice in order to advise you as to what kind of solutions you can put in place in order to meet those particular problems. For example, some of the most important things that I do for my clients is put in place an incapacity plan like a durable power of attorney, a healthcare surrogate, a living trust, a living will, so as to address the issues that you're going to run into as you age as far as the incapacity side of things is concerned. Now, a third aspect of the aging process that you're going to run into is the need for care being provided from some sort of outside source. An outside source such as an assisted living facility or a nursing home. The costs associated with a nursing home or an assisted living facility can be way beyond the means of most of my clients. They would need to go and do something in order to preserve their assets, to protect those assets for themselves and their family, as opposed to funneling them all into the cost of care until eventually they don't have anything left. So this is what we call planning for long-term care or public benefits. Using public benefits such as Medicaid, VA, veterans benefits as well, you can take those public monies and use them to offset your finances in order to pay for the cost of care. You can do this by accessing the Medicaid program, for example. In order to do that, however, there's very strict and very particular nuanced rules that you may not be aware of in order to become eligible for benefits. There's a lot of myths out there surrounding this, a lot of misconceptions. I cannot tell you how many times I've seen a client come in to me and say, well, there's no way that I can qualify for those benefits. I have too much money. Or I gave something away to my kids and I'm going to be disqualified for 3 years or 5 years and I just can't, I'm going to have to spend everything I have. It's amazing to see the fact that so many people have such a negative opinion on the ability to solve this problem. What your elder law attorney will do for you is he will show you a solution to these problems. And not only will he show you the solutions to these problems, but he'll weave those solutions together to solve the incapacity issue, to solve the estate planning issue, and to solve the public benefit planning issue as well. Having each one of the various independent solutions work together to provide a solution to the overall processes of legal issues that you run into as you age. There are many issues that you face as you age. I encourage you to go get more information on this subject by visiting your local library or going out on the internet. A good website to look at as a starting place is virtuallawoffice.com. That's virtuallawoffice.com. I encourage you to go out and get more information. Until next time, I'm Sean Scott, in your best interest.